cleaning and changing a wax guard on the Oticon hearing device. If you happen to have an Oticon hearing device and the hearing aid's not working, please change the battery first, okay? Or put it in the charger if it's chargeable. To clean the hearing device, just simply hold the hearing aid by the tip that goes in your ear, wipe the tip, use a brush, old toothbrush, just simply don't brush your teeth with it after, of course, okay? If it still doesn't work, the next step is to change the bulb. If we pinch that bulb like this, take the bulb out, okay, then it reveals a little white tip on the end of the speaker or the speaker wire. Okay, what we need to do now is change that tip. So here we have a wax guard that's in your kit when you purchase the hearing aid. So what we do is we take this out, we grab one of these black tabs. If you look closely here, there's an extra new fresh wax guard on this side, and then there's a little bit, kind of like a screwdriver on this side. If you put the little bit in here, in the old one, okay, we need to take that out and simply replace it with the new one.